What's the meaning of calculated? Calculated. Calculated.
Calculated. Calculated. The term calculated refers to something that is carefully planned and executed based on logical reasoning or statistical analysis. It can also denote a deliberate action taken to achieve a specific objective. When something is described as calculated, it implies a certain level of foresight and intentionality in achieving a desired outcome. For example, a calculated risk might involve analyzing data and weighing the potential benefits and drawbacks before making a decision. Similarly, a calculated move in a game might involve assessing the opponent's strategy and anticipating their next move to gain an advantage. Ultimately, anything described as calculated connotes a thoughtful and strategic approach to problem solving or decision making.